Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Weston Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this guy has a lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, you also get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with the red GT line style stitching. The 7-inch touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter. And this car also features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. But let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.